welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. If y'all hear like a humming in the back, I think they're doing construction outside. I don't know what's going on, but it's been outside for 3 days. Anyways, I'm back with another install with LUVME here, sponsoring today's video. And this is all of the things that came in the box. Y'all know LUVME always comes through with the goodies all the time. And this is the wig. So this wig is from their Gluess line. All of the specs of this hair will be in the description box. But this is just the inside cap construction. Like I said, it's glueless, so you do see the elastic band in the back for security, as well as all of the combs, adjustable straps, all that. Okay, this wig is not going nowhere. Don't be afraid of glueless wigs, y'all, because I was. Don't be. And this is just me showing y'all the lace, you know, against my hand. I didn't bleach my knots. I did tint. That was me showing you that I tinted it with makeup. But I didn't bleach my knots because honestly, fresh out the box, it didn't look bad at all. This video was really short because truthfully, I didn't have to do much to this wig. Like, it's glueless. We're not waiting for no glue to dry. We're not mushing, and we're not, you know, we ain't doing all of the glue hassle. We're doing glueless. We're not even doing hairspray. Okay? This is fast, quick, in a hurry. Honestly, if I wanted to, I could have left it like that. But I'm extra. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, fresh out the box. This is just how it comes. I plucked it a little bit, but that's it. And I was in love with like the cut, I guess. Like y'all gonna see, I was playing with the hair a lot, but I was in love with the cut. But I'm just gonna go in, fix my part a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, so this part is sped up a lot and chopped and screwed a lot because I'm not about to sit there and make y'all watch me bump no hair. That's torture. But y'all, look at this hair after I put some heat to it. Like, it looked really good even before I put heat to it. But one thing that I definitely loved about this unit is the movement. Like, I don't know. I feel like, well, no, this is universal. I feel like it should be. Movement is everything. Like, I don't want to have to do too much with my neck to make my hair move. You know what I'm saying? I want my hair to move just off the strength of it moving. It was so much movement to this hair, and I loved like the body. It had so much body. The cut was so cute. This is a sophisticated look right here. And I didn't do any baby hairs. So sophisticated. Just look at it. It's so cute. Like, it was really just movie hair. And I really don't have anything, like, obviously I don't have anything bad to say about the hair. Like, come on now. Give it the time. This is LUVME hair. But honestly, I loved this wig so much, and this is just me showing y'all proof that it's not glued down. Like, the convenience of this wig, it's just, you couldn't ask for anything more. It's a really efficient unit, honestly, and it took me like no time at all. And like I said, it's not going anywhere. Like, you can lift it up, but it's not going anywhere. You have so much security and all that. So I just want to thank LUVME here for sponsoring this video, and stay tuned for the next one.